Welcome to this tutorial on how to send an email for new projects in Todoist using Todoist Gmail integration. So guys, if you're managing your tasks using Todoist application and Gmail is your primary email client, this automation is going to save a lot of your time and manual efforts, especially when you are creating a project and you have a lot of people in your team and you want to delegate the task to your team and you have other tasks also on the fly. So you can use this integration to send emails automatically to all your team members whenever you create a project. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding. So let's begin. We are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. I'm going to paste this same link in the description, and from here you can sign up for free. Alright, and after signing up, you have to sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name as Todoist Gmail integration. And after giving the name, just click on create button and you will see your workflow page loading up like this. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things only. Trigger starts a workflow and the action is an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So here in our use case, creating any project in Todoist application is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to send emails via Gmail to all the team members, right? So guys, here our trigger application would be Todoist. So select Todoist here. Okay. Then you have to select the trigger event. So the trigger event would be new project. So we have many trigger events here. You can use any one. For our use case, we are using new project. And it will give you this webhook URL to create a connection with Todoist application. And after that, we can capture the response of the connection. Okay, so you need to follow these steps written here to create the connection. First of all, you need to open the app management console of Todoist. Okay, so just click on this link from here and you will reach the app management console inside the Todoist developer page. Here you will find this create new app button. Click on create new app. Here you can give a name to this application. So I'm giving the name here as test app. Okay. Then click on create app button. All right. And here guys, when you scroll down, you can provide a description. You can provide a URL of your website if you have any. And after that, click on this create test token. All right. Then scroll down a bit more and here you will find this webhooks option. Under webhooks, it will ask for the webhook callback URL. So here you have to paste this URL that you got from your workflow. So just click on copy here and paste this URL here under this field. Okay. And then it will ask for the watched events. So here you have to select that event on which you want to trigger the workflow or send the data from Todoist to your workflow. So guys, I want that whenever I create a project in Todoist, the details will be sent to the workflow and trigger the workflow. For that to happen, you have to select this option, project added. Okay, project : added. Check this box. All right. Then click on activate webhook button. So you can see this webhook connection is activated. And guys, here in the workflow, you can see as we have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. Okay, this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to manually create a test project just for setting up this automation, and the details of the test project will be captured here in the response section to set up this automation further. Let's do it. I'm going to my Todoist applications dashboard. Here it is. Okay. And here in the left hand side panel you will find this projects option. Okay, so click on projects and under here you can click on this add project button to create a new project. Okay, here you can give a name to this project. So I'm giving the name here as testing project. Okay, Here you can select a color. You can select the project type as a list or a board. So I'm selecting board option, and here click on add button, and here you can see the project is added here, and here you can add sections like this, to do, okay, or in progress, or as you want to create a board, you can create. Okay, and guys, I have created a test project here, and the workflow is waiting for this to happen. Let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured of this project or not. And here you can see, guys, we got this response received, and here you can see the creator's name, the project creator's name, the project creator's email address, the event name is project added, the style or the type of project is board, the name of the project is testing project, the color, etc. Okay, that's how you can capture the test response. Now guys, I want to inform my team that I have just created a project, and they should all start looking to it and start working in that. So for that to happen, in this action step, I'm going to connect with Gmail application because I want to send the emails via Gmail. Okay, and here you will find the action event as send email. Select that, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. All right, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you want to send the emails. Okay, so I'm selecting that account. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to that account. Just click on continue from here. That is completely safe, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it will ask for the recipient's email address. So guys, you can provide as many email addresses that you want. So I'm going to fill in the email addresses of my team members. Okay, so this is the first email address, then put a comma, then you can put another email address. Okay, right, and let me I have added two addresses. You can add as many as you want in the comma separated values. You can read here. If you want to put someone in CC, you can put it here. If you want to put someone in BCC, you can put the email address here. Here you can give the a name who is sending the email. Okay, sender's name. So I am entering the sender's name as Pabbly team. Okay, here you can provide a subject as this. So I'm just showing you the demo. You can change all these things. Okay, right, and here you can select the content type of the email as plain or HTML. I'm selecting plain, and here you can type the email that you want to send. So let me type the email. So guys, I have typed this email. You can see hello there, this is to inform you that a new project is added in Todoist. The details are as follows, and here I want to provide the details of the project I have created. So I'm going to map these things that I have received here in this test response of the first step. Okay, so here we got the details in these labels. So I'm going to map the labels here in this email. Let me show you. To map the labels, you just have to click here in front of project name, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data here only. So from here you can map the name label of the project. Similarly, you can map the creator's name of the project, creator's email, okay, project type, okay, and after that, if you have any file, you can attach the file here, the URL of the file to send. Right now I'm leaving these things blank, and by clicking on save and send test request button, you can send a test email to these email addresses that you have entered here. So let me show you the demo how the email is going to look like. So guys, let's say this is an email inbox of one of my team member, and I have added this email address here in this workflow. And let me click on save and send test request button. Okay, so I have clicked on it, and this is the response we have received. You can see it is showing done, and here you can see we have received a new email. Let us see. and it is from Pabbly team, and the subject is new project in Todoist. Okay, same sender's name, same subject, and here you can read the email. Hello there, this is to inform you that a new project is added. These are the details: testing project, Pabbly board. Okay, so these are the same things that I have mapped here, you can see, and it got embedded in the email like this. So that's how it is going to work, guys. So you have to set up this automation only once, and you have to map the data only once. After that, you do not even have to look at this workflow. It will work silently in the background, and in real time, whenever you are going to add or create a new project in Todoist, these emails will be delivered to all the recipients automatically without any manual effort. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.